The quest for fitness is eternal, and the Xterra Fitness fb150 folding exercise bike promises to be your steadfast companion on this journey. Compact, sturdy, and whisper quiet, it's designed for the space savers and the fitness seekers. With a footprint of just 31.5 by 18 inches when unfolded, and even more compact when folded, this bike respects your living space. It's light enough to move with ease, thanks to the built-in transport wheels, yet it supports up to 225 pounds. The heart of the fb150's stability is its X-frame design, crafted from thick steel tubing. When it's time to sweat, the silent belt drive system and balanced flywheel ensure a smooth ride. 8 levels of resistance await to challenge you, each twist of the dial taking you closer to your fitness goals. And with the clear LCD monitor, you can track your speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse. Comfort isn't compromised, with a large anatomically designed seat and multi-grip padded handlebars. Your workouts are not just effective, they're enjoyable. Technical prowess is evident in every aspect of the fb150. From the 3.3-pound flywheel to the two-way adjustable padded seat, every detail is fine-tuned for your fitness journey. The fb150's dimensions are a testament to its space-saving design. When not in use, it folds to a mere 16.75 by 18 inches, allowing you to reclaim your space effortlessly. Durability is a given with the Xterra Fitness fb150. Its steel frame and stabilizers provide a solid base, ensuring that your ride is stable and your bike lasts. Adjustability caters to a range of users from 4 feet 10 inches to 5 feet 10 inches in height. The seat's diagonal slide mechanism accommodates different leg lengths and upper body sizes. The fb150's construction is meticulous, with a focus on longevity. The chip and rust-resistant paint finish keep it looking fresh, workout after workout. For those who value precision, the bike's console is a boon. It not only displays vital stats, but also includes hand pulse sensors for monitoring your heart rate. The fb150's pedals are designed for stability, complete with straps to keep your feet secure as you pedal towards better health. In terms of warranty, Xterra Fitness stands behind the fb150 with a 12-month frame warranty and a 90-day parts warranty, reflecting confidence in their product. The fb150 is not just a fitness machine, it's a commitment to a healthier lifestyle. It's a silent promise to yourself, tucked away in a closet after each session, waiting to be unfolded along with your potential. So, if you're ready to pedal your way to fitness, but space is at a premium, the Xterra Fitness fb150 folding exercise bike might just be the gear you need. It's not just about saving space, it's about elevating your fitness routine. The bike's ease of assembly means you'll be up and riding in no time, focusing on your fitness rather than fiddling with complicated setups. And when it comes to maintenance, the fb150 asks for little. A quick wipe down and a check on the nuts and bolts are all it takes to keep it in top shape. The fb150's design is a blend of functionality and aesthetics. Its sleek lines and modern look will complement any home gym or living space. With the fb150, you're not just buying an exercise bike, you're investing in a lifestyle change. It's a tool that beckons you to take control of your health, one pedal stroke at a time. The verdict? The Xterra Fitness fb150 folding exercise bike is a solid, budget-friendly choice for those looking to enhance their fitness.